guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought I would do kind of a fun challenge for today's video. So I forget her name on YouTube, but I found this challenge from her. I'll put the name here, but I thought this would be really cool to do a 3-minute versus a 30-minute makeup challenge. So I already have a full face done and brows. Now we're just going to focus on the eyes like she did in her video. Okay, I was thinking I'm gonna do 30 minutes on this eye and 3 minutes on this eye. So let's start with the 30-minute eye first. So I'm actually going to be setting a timer on my phone right now. Okay, ready and start. Okay. So I already have the eyelids primed as well. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette for a look today because I want something that's definitely a lot more colorful and more challenging. So I'm going to take on a e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to take the color Pukey, which is this one. Oops, which is this one. And we are going to apply this to the crease. So I thought I would do like a more challenging look for this look. So I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm not so great at cut creases, but I think that would be really challenging for me to do. So yeah. Next, in the same placement, I'm going to take Silk Cream with that same brush. I just lost it. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. Okay. With the same placement, a little, actually, you know what, we're going to go a little bit higher with this, just to kind of blend Pukey a little bit. That's looking great. Now I don't know what I'm going to take. I'm going to take a darker shade, so I'm going to take Roxanne, and we are going to apply that in the crease. I'm going to use the Morphe M433 brush to apply it. I'm going to get that on the tip of the brush, kind of like that. We're going to place that in the outer corner, and kind of slightly in the crease. I'm going to pick up a little bit more Roxanne and kind of deepen it up a little bit. Okay, what I like to do at this point, I'm going to take my Morphe M453 brush. This is my favorite blending brush. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take the brush and just blend Roxanne a little bit. Now actually, I'm going to move Roxanne a little bit in the inner area because I want to do a half cut crease. Now for concealer, I'm going to take the Jafra cream concealer in light. I'm going to take the e.l.f. lip brush just because I don't have a small enough eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to take the concealer again to cut the crease. Maybe I should have gone a lighter concealer shade, but I'm going to go in with one of my favorite eyeshadow brushes for the lid. I'm going to take, this is the Echo Tools eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take the color, Little Lady. I'm going to apply this right on top of the concealer. Now with the Sephora smudger brush, it kind of has a little bit of brown eyeshadow on it, but I'm going to try to get it off. I'm going to take the color Beam, and we're going to apply that to the brow bone in the inner corner. Next, with the same brush, I'm actually going to, I haven't really used the more darker shades in the palette, so I'm going to take or any of the purple shades actually in this palette too. I'm gonna take Royalty on the same brush. We are going to apply this to the lower lash line. I just want a little bit of purple in the look, so I'm just going to apply that to the bottom lash line. Again, with the same brush, I'm going to go in with Roxanne one more time and just kind of connect it to the bottom. So I'm going to take a Colorpop Super Shocked Shadow in Mighty Morphin. This is my favorite one, or my favorite Super Shock Shadow. Even though this is the only one I have, but I want to get more of them. I really enjoy them. I really like the formula. So we're going to apply this right on top of Little Lady that we applied earlier. I just like that little extra bit of sparkle with this. Now, I guess let's move on to eyeliner and lashes. So I'm going to take the Makiage inkliner in black. Now, I'm still not very good at eyeliner, so I don't know if I want to get a nice thin line, maybe a little wing. That's curling the lashes. This is the Tweezerman lash curler. Take probably my favorite lashes. These are the Ardell fouxmink lashes in 815. Again, my favorite lashes, and I like to keep them in this kind of little kit. This is the Makiage Essentials Volume 1 Magnetic Lash. Magnetic lashes, and I just used all the magnetic liner, and then I just kept the box, and I put my current favorite lashes in here, and glue, and an applicator, which I think is nice. I actually want to use this one. I'm gonna get a lash glue liner because I like the lash glue liners a little bit more. This is the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive in white. I'm gonna take the lash. I'm gonna use the Bdellium Bent Glue Bent Glue brush. I'm just going to apply the glue to the band. So I'm gonna do a full video on how I like to apply the lashes once I get the lash glue liner, because I want to just these are just my favorite lashes, and I want to, I guess, share them with you guys. So I'm gonna take the lash applicator thingy, hold on, to apply the lashes. You can touch up a little bit, I guess. So I'm going to touch up the purple underneath the lower lash line. I'm also going to touch up the inner corner, but we used Beam for that, and the brow bone. I always like to put a little bit of the highlight shade that we used here. Just kind of blend it with my finger, just because I do like a halo effect with highlighter. I did forget to do highlighter too, but I don't know, that kind of looks weird like that, but once I have the other highlighter on the cheeks, it'll look fine. With the Jafra Duo Eyeliner, I'm going to take the color Black Diamond, and we are going to line the waterline with this. Okay, we have 10 minutes. I'm going to apply a little bit more mascara to the bottom lashes. We have 3 minutes left, and I'm just going to touch up the brows and put, or just one brow right now. So I'm going to take the Jafra micro brow pencil and just kind of go over any of the sparse areas again. Then I'm going to go in with another Jafra product. I'm going to take the Jafra Volumizing Brow Gel to set the brows. Okay, I'm almost out of this. Let's apply a little bit more Roxanne and then we're done. With this side. Anyway, whoa! Okay. Done. Okay. So this is how this eye turned out. Let's hope that this eye would match. I don't know. Since we have 3 minutes to do this eye. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Same thing, I'm gonna start with Pukey on my e.l.f. crease brush. I'm gonna apply this to the crease. Next, I'm gonna take Silk Cream. I'm not gonna show the products because, 1, I already showed them on this eye, and 2, I have to do my makeup in 3 minutes. My eye makeup anyway in 3 minutes. That's done. Now I'm gonna take Roxanne, apply it in the outer part of the eye, and in the crease a little bit, and kind of in the middle of the lid. I'm going to take the Morphe M453 to blend that a little bit in the crease. Then I'm going to take, let's see, I'm gonna skip concealer because, okay, whatever. I'm gonna take Little Lady on my Echo Tools brush. 1 minute and 28 seconds left. I'm gonna take the Colorpop Super Soft Shadow, the Royalty with the Morphe Sephora brush. Lashes are gonna be hectic. Skipping curling lashes, going straight to mascara. Going to apply the right lash. I'm just gonna use whatever applicator is right here. Okay, I'm gonna apply the glue. Wait for 30 seconds. Oh, wait. Okay, that is on. No, I'm definitely gonna stop here because that was the time. Okay, it does kind of really look similar, but we didn't get to do Beam on the inner corner. We didn't get to do Abyss on the outer corner. But still, I think if I went out like this, it'll look relatively okay. Like past 2 videos, I didn't get to do a Bible verse of the day. I think I did one, but it was in the description. I'm gonna do one today. So this is from Proverbs 21:14. A gift in the spirit averts anger, and a concealed bribe strong wrath. That was Proverbs 21:14. Okay, that was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye!